If you've been scrolling through stunning AI-generated art and wondering how to create your own, you might have stumbled upon NightCafe. But is this AI art generator really worth your time and investment? Let's dive in and find out. NightCafe is an AI art generator that allows users to create unique artworks using various algorithms. At its core, it offers multiple creation modes like style transfer and text-to-image generation, which can turn your words into visual masterpieces. The user interface is relatively straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced users. You can easily select styles, adjust parameters, and let the AI do its magic. What stands out immediately is the vibrant community aspect. Users can showcase their creations, join challenges, and even collaborate, which adds a social element to the experience. However, while the platform is visually appealing, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the limitations on free usage and the specifics of subscription tiers aren't always clear up front. This can leave potential users feeling uncertain about what they're actually getting into. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, NightCafe has a vibrant community and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to jump in and start creating. The variety of styles and algorithms available is impressive, allowing for a broad range of artistic expression. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The free version has limited capabilities, which might deter serious users who want to explore more. Additionally, the pricing structure can be a bit confusing, with unclear details on what each subscription tier actually offers. Trust signals are also a concern. While the platform has a solid reputation, the lack of transparency regarding usage limits can leave you second-guessing your investment. In conclusion, NightCafe is worth considering if you're looking to experiment with AR art generation and enjoy being part of a creative community. However, if you're serious about creating art and need more robust features, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a fun tool, but be mindful of its limitations before diving in.